Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet bubble bow. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon. I'm using medium yarn and hook 2.5 mm. So let's start crocheting. We'll start with a slip knot. Crochet chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total 20 chains, foundation chain. Then skip the first chain and work from second chain. In each chain, we will work one single crochet. In each 19 chain, work one single crochet. Work till last chain, total 19 single crochet. The first row is complete. Now for second row, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then turn the work and work 4 double crochet together. 2, 3, 4, and first 3 chain we will count as 1 double crochet. That means total 5 double crochet together. Then in next stitch work single crochet. One more single crochet in next stitch. Then in next stitch work 5 double crochet together. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Then go through all the loops on the hook and work single crochet in next stitch. Again in next stitch single crochet. The front side, the bubbles look perfect. Then one more bubble stitch we will work, that is 5 double crochet together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and go through all the loops on the hook. Then single crochet next stitch. We will work in next 4 stitch single crochet. 1 for middle gap of the bow. 2, 3, and one more single crochet, 4. Now again we will repeat 3 bubble stitch. In between 5 single crochet you can see. Next stitch bubble stitch. Then single crochet in next 2 stitch. One and 2. Then in next stitch walk bubble stitch. In next 2 stitch single crochet, 1 and next stitch 1 single crochet. In the last stitch we will work bubble stitch, that is 5 double crochet together. At last we work single crochet, but in last bubble stitch we will work chain 1, then chain 1, then turn the work. Now we will work in this chains, you can see it in this all chains. Work single crochet in each stitch. Second single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and last 19. Total 19 single crochet. The starting foundation chain we have worked with 19 chains. Then next row chain 3, turn the work. We will repeat the same first row. that is chain 3 we will count as 1 double crochet and work more 4 double crochet, then go through all the loops on the hook, that is 5 double crochet together, then in next 2 stitch single crochet, then again in next stitch bubble stitch, repeat the row, alternate first and second till 8th row. Total 4 rows of bubble stitch we will work. Continue crocheting till 8th row. Here we complete total 8 row. The last row will be the single crochet row. Chain 1, cut the yarn. Now in middle space of the bow, we will just roll the yarn roll it to cover the middle part properly, and at the end make 2 knots and cover the end yarn. And finally here we complete the bow. And if you really enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.